Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, October 30, 2025 for at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, October 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 30, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday's October 30, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for October 30, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 30, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.